Alright, this afternoon guys, I'm gonna try to repair this LED side markers from Oracle. It's got a dead LED somewhere in here, and I'm gonna take it out, see if I can make it to work. If not, I bought some cheap Amazon LED side markers, but they're not customized colors like this, that we're gonna just replace this one with that one. But I'm gonna take out this custom color B5 blue color cover to use, so see how this works. I don't know if I made a video on installing this. Pretty easy. You just take this out and you pull it. There's a couple of bolts behind, and plug it. It's out. So let me show you how it's done. Hopefully this trick that I'm thinking that I can use will work. Okay, let's pause this and put my tools out. Alright, I was able to get those push pins out. Let me see if I can show you what's inside there. So just unplug that wire. There's a couple bolts in there that you can use. Hopefully focus. There is one of them. Okay, focus. You go. So you just unbolt those two bolts. I don't know what size they are, I'll let you know in a bit, and unplug it, and you can pop the side markers out. So pre-installed in the front, then the back you might have to remove the tires. So let's continue here. Alright, there you go guys, it's released. It's actually not a bolt, it's a torque screw, T25 torque screw. There's only two of them in here, so you just press on this and release it, and you can get this out. So that's pretty simple. Hopefully if you guys want to change the side markers, this is how you do it. But mine, I have this custom from Oracle, and this one just went out with two dead LEDs. The other three on all sides are fine, so I'm gonna see if I can square this away. Alright, let's show you this step. Basically MacGyvered it. I removed the cover of the one that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, all the LEDs work. It's just glued all the way around the clear cover. So now let's put this back here. What I'm planning to do is I'm going to remove this blue, hopefully I don't break it, this blue cover, and reinstall it there. So now I got a complete LED with a custom paint in it. Or if I was smart, I would just had probably spray paint this with the B5 blue color, but I'm not very smart, so I just made work harder for myself. Anyways, I'm gonna try to do that, and let's continue this video. Alright, it worked. Here's the original with the broken LED over here, and it's from Oracle. This is the only one that has a broken LED. So I bought a cheap one from Amazon, and I pulled out the lens carefully, which lucky for me I didn't break, which is very unusual. I break a lot of things, but unlucky for me, the quick drying glue I had was not working properly. The dispenser was not working, so I threw it away, and I used the different glue here, but it's not quick drying, so I'm letting it dry out, and then I'm gonna reinstall it. But it kind of works out. So if you wanna MacGyver this like I did, you can do it. Just be careful. What worked to separate this cover with that is we blow dryer, heat it up until the glue kind of soften up, and you pull it apart. There's no screw, so it's just glue. So if you heat up the glue with the blow dryer, it took maybe 15 minutes, it will pull apart, obviously carefully so you don't break it. Then you just install it here and glue it back. Worked out. Alright, hope this helps you guys. So here's the finished product, all installed. As you can see, it just looks just like the Oracle, but it's actually the LED housing. And the actual LEDs are from Amazon. They're like 40 bucks. But the cover is from Oracle. So as you can see. Watch headphone users. I'm going to start it so you can see it light up, okay? Remote start here. Watch your ears. Alright guys, so you see it worked. My DIY worked. And I'm gonna list down the tools that I use. I'm gonna link this Amazon product in the description below. I'm also gonna link the Oracle side markers if you want them, but this one is the one that went out. The others did not went out at all. So I was able to fix it cheaply because I probably would have been $100 because you have to buy a set of 2 or a set of 4. $100, $150, I don't remember anymore. But hope that helped you out. If you want to DIY fix this, or you can just, you know, buy a new set and install them. Anyways, hope this helps you guys. Links in the description below. And, you know, like, subscribe, and comment. All right? We will talk to you soon. Bye for now.